Hello everyone, it's your friend, your brother, your homeboy VDJ Spice Winner 232 with another tutorial. I know this one is, let me just say, highly expected as the last one we did was late. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to protect your computer from USB virus, basically using one of the most recommended program, which is Smadav Antivirus 2020 edition. um let me just say the registered version. But before going deep into the video, this video is not only, I can't only say proudly sponsored, but was also inspired by Golden Enterprise. Okay, Golden Enterprise is situated at number 1 Fenton Road, Bow, and they do a lot of important stuff like money transfer using Western Union, MoneyGram, Ria Money. They also render stationery services like photocopying, laminating, desktop publishing, color printing, black and white combining. They also have a mini mart which you can get food stuff and other important stuffs. Yeah. They also have a pharmacy in which they sell essential drugs at very competitive prices. Yeah, let me just say affordable prices. And they also have a barber shop, yeah, which is called Golden Total Look. As you can see right now, I'm having a very good haircut on, and it was done there. Okay, so basically we all know that computer virus just work as the virus that attack human. We all know the time right now. Coronavirus shit is getting real, but this is not about coronavirus. This is computer virus, and it's real, and it's already real as coronavirus is real. So try to stay home, stay safe, try to go out when necessary. You understand? Use your face mask. Try to keep yourself safe and others living close to you very safe. Well, just as I was saying, the computer virus also builds, let me say, defense mechanism just like the human virus. So if you look at definition of viruses that we have around 2015 2016, are well developed, let me say, are less developed than the ones attacking computers as of now. So I recommend that you try to get updated versions of the antivirus you use and other important programs to protect the security of your computer. So on this tutorial, I'm using Smadav, which is a 2020 edition, which is version 13.7. I think only one version is later than this, which is the 13.8. But the 13.7 is also good. Let me say it's perfectly okay because all the virus definitions which are contacted by the computer via USB is being cleaned by the Smadav Pro 2020 edition, which is the version 13.7. So basically, I'm gonna let you have the software which I'll place in the description of the video, so you can download that and use the steps I'll use to install. Then you can install that. Then I will also show you how to perform a full system scan if your computer is already infected with virus, so you can delete the virus in your computer. So let's get into the tutorial now. First of all, I already have the program, but you have to download it from the description, which I'll place under the video, which is this Smadav Pro. So what I'll try to do here is try to get the folder which is compressed to the desktop, as I'll drag it here. Okay, now that I've got my program to the desktop, I'll try to open the folder where the program is situated. So you can see this. Let me zoom it. Okay, Smadav Pro 2020 version 13.7 final plus serial. Let me zoom that out again. Okay, so you get to see that when you open the folder, you see two subfolders in it, which is the serial folder and the setup folder. Okay, so I'll advise, if your computer is connected to any internet facility, whether using an Ethernet controller or wireless, you disable it at the moment. So after doing that, I recommend you open the setup folder. Try to run that as an administrator, run it as an admin, because there are lots of reasons why I recommend you run softwares as admin, because it's very important to have administration, let me just say administrative rights over the programs you run into your PC. For some reasons I'll explain in future videos so you understand better. So when you run it as an admin, you select your language, because as for me, I understand English better than Bahasa Indonesia. So I'll click on OK. So on this step, or let me just say in this step, you click on next. Okay, so here you see license agreement. You have to accept that. I accept the agreement because no one will have time to read all these, so just accept. Okay, so create a desktop icon. You have to click on that because you want a desktop icon. So allow sending statistics using bandwidth to help Smadav development. I recommend you click that so you won't have to send any statistics, because you are already going to activate the program, so you won't need that. So you click on next again. Okay, here you click on install. Wait until it starts. Okay, so from this point, after it's installed, you have to click on finish. The program will auto launch. Okay, my iOS bit on installer has shown me that I've just installed the program. So what I'll do next is I click on the Smadav program so it could launch. So I'll apply my registration code. Okay, now it's like, when it's like this, after launching the program, you click on Pro, so you see the benefits of having the licensed version versus the free version. On the free version, the only two benefits you enjoy: auto scan. So when you plug in a USB device to your computer, the program will auto scan it and show the virus that are in the USB device. So the secondary protection, it also offers that. But to hide message on startup, protection settings, the RTP, and let me just say tools and additional features, profits of the commercial use, all you won't get on the free version, but on the pro version. So it's necessary you have to insert the license key and license the software, so you get to use the pro benefits. So what I recommend you do next is click on the settings, which is on the left hand side of the program. Mine was already registered, so let me unregister this again, because it was having the registration key already before I uninstalled it. So yours will be like this, the same way. Here you have to open the folder again, come to serial, you see the key. On this key, which is a note file, let me zoom this. This here will be the name, because this is the name registered for the program. This marks 08. Let me zoom out. Okay, you click to the program again, so you press Ctrl C to copy and click on the name tab here, you paste, Control V, or you just right click and go to the paste. So you open the text document again, highlight this code, the 995299250540. You copy that again using Control C, or you right click and click on copy. Come to the program again, key, Control V. You paste it and you click on register. So you get to see that on our screen here. Thanks, you are success to register Smadav Pro, but you ain't gonna laugh at their English because the developers of this program are Indonesians. They are not that good with the English, but they are very good on what they do. You see, so now you can use the additional features in Smadav Pro. You see, okay. So let me zoom this out again. So if your computer is already, let me say, infected with virus, so what I suggest you do is click on protect. You'll see that protection is active plus USB anti-exe. Yes, it's active. You click on scanner. Try to apply a full scan, which you see here. Full scan. Yeah. So you scan your PC. Well, as for me, I think my computer is already protected, so except otherwise, it might see other programs that are not even, but it's seeing my EFT dongle, and all these are not, let me say, are not virus files. They are programs I use for flashing phones and other stuff. So let me click out. So now that your program is already activated, you want to secure your activation. So the best way you can secure your activation, because if the program connects to internet, it will send feedback to the original publishers that your program is let me say, perhaps supported by, let me say, fake key or fake registration, which is not, that's alright, because the auto updating of the program usually prompts the program to ask for registration each and every time. So what I suggest you do is you click on the Windows icon here. This is the start. Yeah. So after clicking on the start, you type on firewall. Let me say you type the word firewall. When it's loaded, you see Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. You click on that. Now on that, you have to click on inbound rules, which is on the top left. After clicking on the inbound rule, you have to click on new rule. New rule. Yeah, it's a program actually, so you have to maintain it clicked on the program. Here you go to next. Here I don't suggest you click on all programs because it's just a single program. So this asks for this program path, so you have to select the part of the program. So I suggest you click on the C, local disk C, no matter what your own might, what name yours might carry. So just try to select the local drive on which the operating system is installed, or the drive in which you installed the Smadav Pro. So you have to click on programs, program files by 86, which is the 32-bit version, because the program is a 32-bit version program. So you click on that. So let me zoom out again. In here you have to scroll down. You see the Smadav folder. Here is it. So when you click on that, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 files. Yeah. So here, the program you have to let me say disable is the Smadav updater, because the update forces the program to ask for activation each and every time after it's updated. So you click on open, yeah, click on next. Now you see options like allow the connection if it's secure, then block the connection. So you have to select the block the connection, click on next, click on next. You have to name the action you have just done and the description of it, because all these will appear in the Windows Defender settings. If you have to delete them in the future, perhaps you not want to use the Smadav program in the future, so all the other settings might go out with it. Yeah, so the name you have to type Smadav DAV 2020. The description Smadav in block, and click on finish. So here you will see that the connection has been blocked, which is an inbound connection. So you also click on outbound rules. Yeah, then I suggest you click on new rule again for the outbound. So it's a program. Be confident because you've done it once. So you click on updater again, open, click on next. Block the connection is already there. Next, next. So you have to name this again Smadav DAV 2020. So description, yeah, Smadav out block, yeah, yeah, just like that. So you click on finish. So now it's like that. I think it's all done. So I do believe that your PC is now well protected from trojans, virus, and malwares and other harmful programs that will cause harm to your PC security. And I thank you again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for having you as subscribers. Thanks for having you as viewers. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I suggest it's time you do it now. And don't forget to check out Golden Enterprises, as I would say it's your one-stop shop with all the services they offer at very good prices, and try to make that your regular place to do business